Hi there guys, we are back again with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of, yes, still Tuesday on September 22nd, 2020. The last Sudoku is a 3 stars Tectonic 1, yes, and this will be number 1592. Yes, so let's get started. And the first question, do we have here a single box? I see here a single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual box, I see here a dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Do we have here also a dual box? Dual box, the 1 and the 2 should be here. Let me mark them. I do not know in which order. Here also the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Do we have more? 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 2 in this area. Alright. And now these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here. The 2 goes there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or 2. We have a 1 and a 2 there, so the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. The other 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. These 2 boxes also 3 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3 or 5, cannot be a 4, so it should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them, the 3 and the 5. Alright, we have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Quadra box, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, because we need a 1 and a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be a 3, so 1 digit left should be the 4. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be in this box. This box cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4 because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 and no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then now we have a 3 here, so this box is gonna be a 3, this should be the 3, and this should be a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, we have a dual box. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes, so the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1, this should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Then let me think. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4, so it should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5, this should be the 5 and this should be a 3. Then we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1, this should be the 1, and this should be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here, and the 2 goes in there. That means that these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. We have a 1 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1, this should be a 2, then this should be a 1. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. These 4 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these no. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 2 boxes left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 2. It's gonna be 2. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, should be a 3. Cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. 1 digit left, should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means that this box cannot be a 4 or 5. Cannot be a 1, so it should be, and cannot be a 3. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Yeah, 2. Yeah. This box cannot be a 5, so 2 boxes left for the 5 here or there. That means that this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there, 1 box left should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 5 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 and no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 and no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Yes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. Bye bye and have a great day.